Hello friends, thanks for joining us today. Before we dive in, do us a favor, hit like, share this video, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting ready for a cruise, packing can be overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to pack, from everyday wear to must-have essentials, and even a few pro tips to make your trip smooth sailing. Let's dive in. Versatile clothing. Bring lightweight, breathable clothes for daytime and a few dressier outfits for dinners or formal nights. Comfortable shoes, sneakers for excursions, flip-flops for the pool, and dress shoes for evening dining. Swimwear and cover-ups. Pack at least 2 swimsuits so one can dry while you wear the other. Accessories. Sun hat, sunglasses, and a small backpack for shore excursions. Roll your clothes instead of folding to save space. Toiletries. Bring travel-size shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, and bug spray. Some cruises don't provide these. Medications. Seasickness pills, pain relievers, and any prescriptions you need. Important documents. Passport, cruise tickets, boarding passes, and travel insurance. Tech essentials. Universal travel adapter, portable charger, and power strip. Most cabins have limited outlets. Keep medications and documents in your carry-on, not your checked luggage. Warm destinations like the Caribbean, Bahamas, and Mediterranean call for light clothing, swimsuits, and UV protective clothing. For cold destinations such as Alaska and Norway, be sure to pack layers, waterproof jackets, gloves, and thermal wear. And oh, for rainy or windy weather, a light rain jacket or poncho can be a real lifesaver. Always check the weather forecast before you pack. Packing cubes. Keep your suitcase organized and make unpacking easy. Magnetic hooks. Most cruise walls are metal, so these hooks can hold bags, hats, or towels. Lanyard for room key. Keep your key card handy at all times. Refillable water bottle. Stay hydrated and save on bottled water costs. Bring a foldable duffel bag for souvenirs or dirty laundry. And there you have it, your ultimate cruise packing checklist. What are your must-have items for a cruise? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you loved today's video, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bon voyage.